Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel of Creative Edge, one of the subsidiaries of Top Rankers. Friends, my name is Rajendra Bhatia and I am here to talk about very important, very interesting topic of two-dimension design, shortly called as 2D design. 2D design होता क्या है? What is a 2D design? A 2D design is a work of space division, element distribution, visual weight division, color distribution, bringing about a rhythm in a composition. So the composition become aesthetically beautiful. Let us see some of the examples of these kind of drawing questions. Let's take a question itself. Make an aesthetically beautiful 2D composition by using 3 each of triangles, square and circles. That means the basic shapes in geometry. And 2 rhythmic lines. Color the design with color of your choice. Now these kind of questions are common in NIFT, in JEB ARC, even the NATA may be expecting, you can expect them in NATA and NID as well. Well, the importance is there. Let us try understanding how this has been solved here. The given space was hexagonal and I have done a real distribution of 3 triangles, 3 squares and 3 circles. Now for having a connectivity, what you can see that I have overlapped the elements here. Then overall, after distributing them evenly all around the hexagon, I have done a couple of rhythmic lines. When it came for distribution of color, since I wanted the vision to be traveling well within the design and design of the elements, I have used analogous colors. The combination that I have taken is blue, violet and green for the existing elements and yellow for the background. So I have given a contrast in the background. So this is how you can arrange a two-dimension design with clear distribution. Now this is not happening all the time, like you have the background separately and the foreground or the element separately. We'll see that in some forthcoming questions. Let us take another question. Here one of the geometrical shape is replaced with help of biomimic motif. Biomimic means, bio means life, mimic means resemblance. So there are motifs like those of the leaves, flowers, those of the butterfly, fishes and birds. Now what I want to clarify here, that these are only very few limited motifs. You may get more motifs if you look onto internet and try memorizing them, because of course in exam they don't allow you to download any of the motifs. So you have to memorize these motifs one by one. Okay, the space provided here was a semicircular space wherein make an aesthetically beautiful design by using 3 circle and 2 each of triangle, rhythmic line and motifs of flowers in the given semicircle. Render the design with suitable colors. So what I have done, different size circle, different size 2 triangle, 3 circle, 2 triangle and 2 of the motifs. So out of the 3 primary shapes, the square has not been used here. Instead of a square, 2 flower motifs were used. Same overlapping for having a beautiful connectivity, and rhythmic lines. They are also overlapping each other. At times you may reduce or increase the rhythmic line, but see to it that it should not be making the design crowded. We'll see more of examples. Now this is one of beautiful example where the color distribution in the elements as well as in the background is of one theme, and theme is the analogous color. Using silhouettes of different bulbs, make an interesting 2D composition in the given space and color it with help of 3 colors of your choice. Now these are the different shape bulb, and remember you are not to do anything 3D. The look should be absolutely with help of outlines only. So there is this one kind of bulb, then there is this round kind of a bulb, and then there is a ellipse kind of a bulb. 3 kind of bulbs have been used with different numbers. Like the spiral one has been used 3, the circular one also have been used 3, whereas some less limited oval shaped bulb have been used. Then there are rhythmic lines 1, 2 and 3. You know why I use analogous colors? They are near to each other on the color wheel. 3 colors which are near to each other. Now when I say one color, that includes all its tints, shades and tones. So I have used again the composition made up of blue, different shades and tones of purple and that of green. So when it comes for giving the exam, like what you should do, take out those 3 color, any number of shades, and after you have sketched the elements, give a dark outline to all the elements here with help of sketch pen or maybe micron pen. And thereafter, yes, one by one, take one color and diagonal opposite color matching. Like light green is here, light green is here, and light green is here. It's almost like how a squash ball moves in the squash court. Quite similar to that, you choose the spot for the colors. So that was about one more composition. I have taken further varieties of question. Let's see one more. It's a kind of a challenge. Can you make a biomimic design composition with help of only geometrical shapes as all parts of a Sari-pallu design and render it with colors of your choice? So what you see here, firstly, Sari-pallu you select repetitive designs, right? A small design which is repeating. And I have tried making an elephant here, and all geometrical shapes are inducted to give a real good look of the 2-dimension design. Now since it is of Sari-pallu, the design is made more clear and no rhythmic lines are used here. Okay, one element just to complement these geometrical shapes here. One important thing I always try telling my students, like when it is a question of Sari-pallu, do suggest a color of sari along with your design. It will really impress the jury. Okay, so this is how you could do with the Sari-pallu design. And a biomimic, you know that biomimic, as I earlier said, bio means life, mimic means duplicating it or copying it. Another question, using bilaterally symmetrical ethnic design. Please design a lady's purse and color the design with appropriate colors. Here I have again taken a hexagonal lady's purse while sketching and the handle of it, but all in 2D shapes. Then for ethnic design, again I have taken a peacock design, as you can see, and this is a bilaterally symmetrical design. That means one side of the purse is the mirror of on the other side. After designing this kind of a purse, I have added some of the aesthetically beautiful design on top of the peacock to make it more look like bilaterally symmetrical. I have particularly used a butterfly between the two peacock. That is also to fill up this space. Some elements of the tail of the peacock, I have used these small elements here onto the handle of the purse. Colored it with plastic crayons. So I hope you all are enjoying as well as liking this kind of design, which I have tried simplifying it for you. There are some more questions you could attempt as a assignment from my side. Design a lampshade, design a tablecloth, 2D design with help of parts of an umbrella, using 2D components of different fruits. Design a fruit basket. Using 2D components, design front of a t-shirt or back of a t-shirt also. Friends, I am sure you have liked this talk on two-dimension design. For any further inquiry, please approach us to our website www.toprankers.com, or you can ask us on support@toprankers.com, or you can dial us on 6363 286363, or even WhatsApp us on 888-9633-222. Thank you once again and looking forward to your responses. Bye-bye.